Welcome students. Good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastava. This is my new video of class 6. Your chapter is chapter 5 and PowerPoint advanced features. And today's topic is inserting hyperlinks, inserting hyperlink to a file, inserting a hyperlink to another slide that is given on your book page number 53 and 54, and using action buttons also. So we start inserting hyperlink. A hyperlink is a highlighted text or images that is linked to another document or to another place in the same document. Sometimes we may want to include a hyperlink in our presentation to link it to a file, web page or an email address. We can also insert hyperlinks in our presentation to link one slide to another. Let us learn how we can do this. Inserting a hyperlink to a file. To insert a hyperlink to a file, we can follow the steps given below. Select the text or images that you want to set as a hyperlink. Second, open the Insert tab. In the Links group, click on the Hyperlink button. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears. Or you can also open this dialog box by right-clicking on the selected text and selecting the hyperlink option. Third, on the left side in the dialog box, click Existing File or Web Pages. The selected text will appear in the Text to Display field. You can change this text if you want. For fifth, click the drop-down arrow in the Look In field and select the folder or drive that contains your file. 6. Select the desired file from the dialog box and click OK. The selected text or images will now be a hyperlink to the file. Tip: PowerPoint often recognizes email and web addresses as you type and will format them as hyperlinks automatically after you press the enter key or the space bar. How you can insert a hyperlink to a file? First you open your file and then select which text. If I want to this, then select it, and then you have to go on Insert tab, and then you have to click on the hyperlink. Insert tab and then click on that hyperlink. Now selected text is displayed here. Okay, link to and look in where. If I want to this, click on that. Okay, click on that current folders or any other folder. Then you have to easily change existing file. Okay, current folder, existing file or web pages, email addresses, create new document, whatever. Then you have to click on that and then click on OK. Now it is look as the color is changes, it is now as a hyperlink. If you want, then you have to right click on that and there is a open hyperlink. Then from here you can easily open your hyperlink image. Okay, this will be open. Okay, if you want to remove that hyperlink, then you have to right click on that and then there is a remove hyperlink options are available. Remove it. Okay, inserting a hyperlink to another slide. We can insert a hyperlink that links one slide of a presentation to another slide in the same presentation. The steps to do are as follows. Select the required text or images that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. On the left side of the dialog box, click on the Place in this document button. Okay, now select. If I select this, and then you have to open and click this, and here is look, place in this document. Look, place in the document. Text is displayed here, and then you have to select place in this document and which slide. Then you have to go on that slide number, I think 4. Then you have to click OK. Now when I click on this, then I will go if I click on open hyperlink, then I have to go on that slide number 4. Okay, easily I can move to inserting a hyperlink to another slide. This way you can easily insert a hyperlink. Okay, which slide you want, then you have to easily, if I show you how you can open, then you have to right click on that and then there is a open hyperlink options are available. Then you have to easily move on that slide number 4. Okay, so this is the insert hyperlinks, okay, in the slide or in a file. Now next topic is inserting action buttons. Action buttons are built-in button shapes and that functions much like hyperlinks. We can link them to a file, slide, web address or email address and so on. When someone clicks or moves the pointer over an action button, the specified action will occur. Inserting an action button on a slide, too many steps are there. We can insert an action buttons on a slide by following these steps. Click the insert button and select the shapes button in the illustration group. Second, select the desired action button from the bottom section of the shapes drop down menu. Third, click on the slide at a desired place to insert the action button there. An action setting dialog box will appear. Fourth, select the mouse clicks tab. Settings made in this tab will enable the action button to perform an action on the mouse click. Fifth, in the action on click section, select hyperlink to, then click the drop down arrow and choose an option from the menu. Sixth, check the play sound box if you want a sound to play when the action button is clicked. Select the sound from the drop down menu. Seventh, click on the OK button. Tip: after inserting a hyperlink or action button, you can test it by running the slideshow. Remember that hyperlinks and action buttons will not work in the normal view. Okay, if you want to show, then you have to click on that slideshow, and if you want to normally, then you have to use that right click. Okay, so how we can insert action buttons? Look, select the insert tab and click the shapes and which action you want, then select the desired at the bottom section. Action buttons is there. Here is action buttons. Which action button you want, then you have to easily select it. If you want to click this and then insert it here. Look, now that will be action settings box is open and hyperlink to next slide or previous slide. Then I have click on that next slide, and then if you want to apply a sound or anything, then you have to run program, any program. If you want to play sound, then you have to click on that sound. Okay, if you want to apply a sound, then you have to choose a sound from here. Okay, this sound you want, then you have to easily select it, and hyperlink to next slide, then you have to click on that hyperlink to next slide, and then you have to click on OK. Okay, now I will show you all that things, it is working or not. Then you have to slideshow. First I show you that is working or not. Look, that is working already, and now I want to show you again that action button is working or not. Click, and then we have to go on that next slide, and that sound is also moving. Okay, this is the way you can easily use the action button. Okay, this way. Inserting an action button, any other action button if you want, then if you want to insert this and then insert any action button, then you have to click on that shape and then action button, which button you want, then you have to insert here, and then if you want to go to the first slide, after then you have, and play sound, any sound, then you have to go. Okay, and click on OK. Now I will show you again. F5. Click here. This is move. This action button moves us to the next slide. And now this action button home. If this will be inserted to a first slide. Now I will come on that first slide, and that hyperlink is connected to the fourth slide, then move on that fourth slide. Okay, this is the way you can insert a slides. Okay, insert action buttons or whatever you think. Then I think all of you have a system, then you have to practice it at home. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.